Have you ever put off something as simple as an oil change because you couldn't afford it? That was me for months, or maybe for just about a year. You see, I kept delaying it, and honestly, it was because I couldn't afford it. Every time I thought about it, I stressed over the idea of spending that money, especially since I drive long distances and knew I was risking my safety. But today, for the first time, I was able to come in, get it done, and pay without even needing to check my bank account. It feels so free. I owe that peace of mind to the passive income I'm earning from my business. It's on autopilot, meaning even while I'm here, it's still working for me, bringing in reoccurring income. I can't tell you enough how much stress this has taken off of my shoulders. If you're curious about how this kind of freedom works, drop the comment freedom, and I'd love to share the details with you.